It's your boy Arion. Never quit. Never give up on yourself. Keep going.
This mug is crushed all of the way to the center of the
Come along with me and watch me progress and get better. I will start off with this type of content first. I always want to remember it, but I will branch out as I get better. The things you people are going to see me do in this video, I couldn't do at first. My coordination was all off. I made this channel to show my progress in life. I always want to remember it.
higher stuff.
Oh, good job.
Give me a smile.
Okay, when you go up, I want you to lean a little bit forward. There you go.
Hey, yeah, let's go. Let's go. Mm. I don't quit. Yeah.
Hey, you got more that time. 34 versus 25. So I will tell you. Much better. Do it again. Bring your head up higher. Yep.
The purpose of this channel is to try to motivate handicapped and disabled people. If you can, get up with me so you can get better. I have a traumatic brain injury and it also messed up my voice. Car accident happened 3.5 years ago. I was in a motor vehicle accident at 26, now I'm 30. I worked hard to become the man I am today. I also had my right part of my school taken out my head. This was the most tragic moment in my life, but luckily I made it out alive. When the accident came to me, which caused shaking. I'm young, but I feel like a senior citizen since I got this walker. Hey, bro. I see y'all.
Doing good.
It's obviously not that hard if Arion stopping to check out how the hair's looking. Get those knees, bend them, drive them, push, push, push. Oh, sorry, Arion, your hand's slipping, your hand's.
You mean Mother Me?
Come back.
All right, let's go the other way. Yes, Arion. Just like that.
I go hard, and whatever I do, it don't matter if it's a job or walking too.
Get that head up.
Slow it down. Get over to the left. Right.
It's coming from the knees again. Try and go straight back. Whole leg. Not so much bend in the knee.
Yeah. Head up.
Look straight ahead. There you go. Good job. Get that head up.
A little bit bigger step back on both legs.
Step.
Towards me. Good. Lean. Good.
Up. Nice and tall.
Arion.
Actually, I'll have you step to that side also.
Lean.
35 pounds unweighted. Nice. Get it. Very nice.
Yes. Good.
Nice.
Oh,
Okay, so when we had you swinging that 5-pound weight, we were doing a lot of trunk rotation. Get some mobility
Stand up.
in the trunk, the pelvis, and we're having you step out. That was eye hand coordination.
Good.
That's called full tasking. It's where your body's involved.
Ooh, nice. Oh, nice.
Well, if you need to tire muscles or whatever, give us a lot of spirit. And we need it. For some reason, it's Okay, I'm up to 9,000 more, and then we're gonna switch. True story, I did this in a talent show in third grade this summer, and I was walk like an Egyptian. My dad made me a little wooden guitar.
Good job.
About half the class.
Wow.
I became numb to getting better because there was no other choice.